We're here with Adam from Nokia, and he's going to demo us the Nokia N8. This is not a final version, is it?
It isn't final version, unfortunately. Okay. No, it's getting there. It's getting there.
Yeah.
So I'll show you the home screen. So I'll just unlock the device. Got an unlock switch just at the top of the device there. Apologies. Okay, so on the home screen we've added on Symbian 3 now 3 home screens that you can fully customise. So you can see here at the bottom I can touch the tab, or I can use gesture using the capacitive touch to flick through the home screens. Really nice and easy to customise as well. So if I go on to my second home screen, you can hold down onto the back, put it into the edit home screen mode, or alternatively hit options and do the same procedure. And then I can move icons, widgets. I can add them by hitting the plus bar. And then I can add from my content list a whole load of different content, or go directly into OB Store itself, which is a new feature in Symbian 3 that allows me to add widgets very quickly and succinctly from the store.
Okay.
If I exit out there, I'm done. Once I hit done, that saves and loads into that kind of mode. So you can see a load of different content there. You've also got kind of animations within other animations for widgets, so you can see my home screen content list there. We've got a new social widget that allows you to view Facebook, Twitter, etc., other social sites, mail for exchange, and full Nokia messaging support, so you can have up to 11 email accounts on device. So all the stuff you'd typically expect from Symbian, just done in new ways. One of the other enhancements to Symbian 3 is the menu and keyboard layout. So we've restructured it to fit dynamically into the screen, and you can see that layout through here. You can also customise your main menu, so you can change the view to list or grid, or you can organise any of the icons in this really nice new edit mode, which is quite nice as well. Hit done on that. Another thing again with Symbian 3, so you'll see this on a number of devices, is our new album art cover flow system to view your music. Really nice, 60 frames a second smooth navigation on this. I can click into a track and then an album, and get all the tracks related to that. If I cancel that just quickly and also screen rotate it into the portrait mode, I also get this view within here, so I can then flick between. One of the other nice things is single click, so you'll notice single click everywhere rather than double tapping like previous Symbian devices. And I also can hold down and get my important shortcut features straight onto the device, so kind of full system. If I hit the main menu, that'll multitask it, and I'm just going to open up a couple of other applications and show you the multitasking feature on device. Just the shot of Nokia maps there as well. What else should we open? Just go into pictures. So I'll open up a few applications. Ignore that, it's just trying to synchronise my email. And I'll open up video. Right, so I've opened up a few applications now. If I hold down on the main menu key, as on previous Symbian devices, I'll also screen rotate this again so you can see them better as well in landscape. Ooh, bit of a glitch there. As we said, it's not completely final software yet.
Is it going to be pinch?
Full pinch zoom, yeah, full pinch capacitive zoom. So pinch zoom currently works in photos, which I can show you in just a second.
Okay.
Web browsing, and in the actual camera mode itself. Potential to be kind of added into other formats. So you can see here all the multitasking. Now this is due to be visual multitasking. Unfortunately, on my prototype, that it's not working at the moment. But I can show you that on my other device that I've got. This will show you exact representations of what you've got open. So not just these icons, but exactly what you were last looking at. And then I can close any application by hitting the little cross on the top, or I can reopen it by clicking into it. Unfortunately, mine's deciding to play up a little bit at the moment. So you can see here into the photos. If I just click in here and I'll pick a nice high-res image. So really nice high resolution, and then you've got, as we've discussed, the pinch zoom on that as well. So really nice in terms of the operation of that. Yeah. And
what's
you can scroll between the images really nicely.
Of the screen?
I don't know off the top of my head the resolution of the screen, but we've got the largest 12 meg sensor of any handset on the market. Yeah, so you get more 12
megapixels
clarity, 12 meg camera
sensor.
Yeah, Carl Zeiss lens, xenon flash, wide-angle lens, and a mechanical shutter. So everything you really need in terms of digital camera. It's also got HD video recording and playback. So
that's 720p, yeah.
720p, yeah. It's really nice. You've got an HDMI port just in the top there. You can probably pick the detail up.
Yeah.
Just unclip that.
Output it to your TV, yeah.
HDMI to mini HDMI. We also are due to put an adapter in box, which I also have on me somewhere. This one. So you get this adapter should be in box.
Okay.
From launch. So HDMI to mini HDMI. One of the other really nice features of the N8 is USB on the go. So this adapter here plugs straight into your micro USB. So you can plug that in, and then you can plug any USB source straight into your device, and this becomes the master, the host. So you can then drag and drop files from it. I've even managed to plug in my X6 and played my Comes Music files through my N8 on my TV. So quite a nice little feature.
And it's got 16 gigabytes of memory, and then a memory card slot for up to 48 more, yes? Yeah,
so 16 gigabytes and then expanded by 32, and then obviously you've got all the storage that you want to plug into the USB on the go. Sorry, I'm just giving it a restart just to pick it up. I'll show you one cool thing while we're looking at the hardware. So we've anodized the aluminium paint on the N8. So basically, it's not painted. The colours actually, the atoms of the colours actually put into the metal. So I can take a coin and then scratch onto the back of my N8. You can kind of see the scratches picked up there, and then I can just give that up. Okay. And then you can just give it a wipe, and it's completely durable. So because it's anodized and the tough aluminium means that it's not going to scratch. You can just rub them straight off.
Okay.
It's really nice.
Is it booted up now?
Yeah, it's booted back up, nice and quick. It doesn't take too long. You've also a really nice touch in terms of the video recording. You've got two microphones on the device. So you've got one just at the front there, and you've got one by the camera just where the speaker is, meaning that when you're recording in your HD, you get a really nice stereo recording, so you can pick up a lot of ambient sound, but also sound of exactly what you're recording. So let's go back in and try and open the video now, show you the HD quality. Web TV, just to mention, is also going to be a really big feature on the N8, with lots of Web TV content, including BBC iPlayer in the UK, which we've got some really good advancements now, and a really good video editing suite. So all that content you can actually edit really nicely.
Get a lot of glare on the screen.
Okay. Shall we move back to the white?
Yeah.
Now this is a clip of Tron, just a trailer from Disney, which I took off the internet. So it's quite a large file, but it's all 720p HD. So you can hear the sounds. You can probably pick that up. But you also get 5.1 Dolby surround sound channel on it as well.
TV system?
Yeah, so you can plug this directly into a surround sound HD system, get full HD and full 720 HD and full 5.1 surround sound as well. So it's a full cinematic experience. And this will actually, the battery's quite important on this as well. I think we've put stats of around 7 hours playback for your video in HD, and around 50 hours for music playback. So really good in terms of a multimedia device.
It's a 1200 milliampere hour battery, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you can't actually access.
You can't actually access it. It is screwed in, so you can see the screws there. You can do a hard restart on the handset, which I just did actually. If you do need to, which all you have to do is hold the power button down, which is just there for around 30 seconds or more. It'll vibrate 3 times and then boot it back up, and it'll be good to go.
Okay, well, Adam, with the new Nokia N8, thanks very much.
No worries at all.